Do you know that combining body wash and bar soap together can transform your complexion? Well, I'm here to show you how to do that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Guys, today's video is an exciting one. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to use body wash and bar soap together to brighten your skin. So if you want your skin to look bright and radiant, make sure to stay, like this video, and also subscribe because you're going to be learning so much on this channel. So before we dive into today's video, please do me a favor and like this video, guys. It goes a long way. Okay, now the first question I know most of you will be dying to ask me is, can I use my body wash and bar soap together? Well, the answer is yes. You can combine your bar soap with your body wash together to achieve a brighter looking skin. This method is mostly tagged or called double cleansing, and double cleansing your skin is something that is suitable for all skin types. So if you're like me and you're wondering why you have to double cleanse your skin or use a body wash and bar soap together, well, the reason is simple. Double cleansing your skin or using a body wash and bar soap at the same time in your skincare routine can provide your skin with series of benefits such as thorough cleansing. Like, it's going to help you effectively cleanse your skin if you should start double cleansing your skin. This is one effective way or method to get rid of all the dirt, makeup, and bacteria that have been accumulated on your skin. If only you know the amount of dust and dirt that gets on your skin each day once you step out of your house, then you would definitely want to double cleanse your skin. Another benefit of double cleansing your skin is the fact that it helps to promote new cell turnover. So in other words, double cleansing your skin is going to help exfoliate and get rid of all the dead skin cells on your skin and give you an even skin tone. Another added benefit of double cleansing your skin is the fact that it's going to help balance your skin's pH, and it also helps you to customize or tailor your skincare routine to address your skin concerns and needs. So if you want to have that brighter, beautiful, glowing complexion, you definitely need to start double cleansing your skin. And if you're someone that battles with hyperpigmentation, dull skin, uneven skin tone, you also need to double cleanse your skin because this will also help tackle your skin concerns and give you that brighter, beautiful, glowing skin. Now, one thing that most people do not know is that body wash and bar soaps are formulated differently. Take for instance, when you use a bar soap to cleanse your skin or wash your body while in the shower, and immediately you come out from the shower, your skin is going to feel squeaky clean. But when you use a body wash to bathe or cleanse your body, your skin is going to feel more clean and refreshed. So in other words, your body wash is more hydrating, while your bar soap kind of makes your skin feel tighter immediately after shower. Well, the reason you tend to experience that tightness with your bar soap and more luxurious, refreshed feel with your body wash is because the surfactants in your bar soap is more hard and can dry out your skin. So body washes are more moisturizing than bar soap. Now, if you want to brighten up your skin using a body wash and bar soap together, there are different steps you need to follow. And the first major step to take if you're trying to brighten up your skin using a body wash and bar soap is to select or choose the right product. Now, there's a simple trick I love to follow when it comes to using a body wash and bar soap together. So if you're trying to brighten up your complexion, you need to either use a moisturizing bar soap and a brightening shower gel, or you can use a brightening bar soap with a moisturizing shower gel. This is one trick I would definitely advise you follow if you're trying to brighten up your complexion. So you either have to pair your moisturizing bar soap with a brightening shower gel, or pair your brightening bar soap with a moisturizing body wash. Now, the whole essence of combining your brightening bar soap with a moisturizing body wash is to help you brighten up your skin and give you that beautiful, glowing skin while still maintaining a healthy skin. Like, you don't want to be brightening up your skin and your skin will end up looking thinned out or dry. And that is one thing that mostly happens when you are using only an active brightening body wash in your routine, or maybe you're only using a bar soap in your skincare routine that will brighten up your skin. So pairing these two products together will help you get the job done in an effective way. So your brightening bar soap will go in to brighten up your complexion. So having this simple trick at the back of your mind will definitely help you pick the right products for your skin. Now, the next or second step you definitely have to follow if you're trying to brighten and glow your complexion using a body wash and bar soap together is to take a look at the ingredient list of the product you're buying. My dear, do not leave that store with a particular product without scanning through the ingredient list. You definitely need to learn how to read your ingredient list. Like, view all the ingredients on that particular product to know if it's suitable for your skin type and your skin concerns before you make your way out to that particular product. Like, you don't want to get home and try out a particular product and you will notice that maybe it's not working for you. So you definitely need to take your time and read the ingredient list and see if there is any ingredients on that particular product that you're reacting to or maybe your skin does not like. That way you can be able to save yourself from trauma.
Okay, no verse.
Now, you also need to check if that particular product you're buying contains effective skin brightening ingredients. Like, don't let anyone conceive or deceive you to buy a particular product when you are seeing that it does not have any of these ingredients I'm about to list. Like, if you're trying to get a brightening product, there are certain ingredients to look out for, and that is your vitamin C, your niacinamide, your papaya extract, your carrot extract, your turmeric. Like, these are ingredients that will help to brighten up your complexion and give you that smooth, flawless skin. So when you don't see any of these ingredients in a particular brightening product, please do not buy them. It's not going to brighten your skin. Now, once you're done scanning through the ingredient list and selecting your product, the next thing you want to do is to gather all the products you will need in your shower, like your exfoliating hand gloves, your towel, and your scrub. Doing all of this will help you set the stage for you to have that self-care pampered time experience. Now, let's dive into the main view of how to use your body wash and bar soap together to achieve that brighter glowing skin. Guys, this is the body wash and bar soap I've currently been using. I've been using this Dove calming body wash. This is the body wash. This is one of the best moisturizing body wash I've used so far. I've been using this Dove calming body wash together with this Ashanti papaya soap. So this is what the Ashanti soap looks like. So this is the two body soaps I've been pairing or using together in my skincare routine that have helped to brighten up my skin. This Dove body wash is so moisturizing on the skin, and I love the fact that it's sulfate free. This is a very nice moisturizing body wash that is not going to strip your skin of its natural moisture or make your skin feel drying. And the fragrance of this body wash is superb. Dove is one brand that do not joke around. Like, their products are amazing and very moisturizing on the skin. I've actually been using this together with this Ashanti bar soap. Like, guys, this particular Ashanti bar soap contains different brightening ingredients that will brighten and glow your skin. Like, it's formulated with different amazing ingredients like papaya, honey, Q10, vitamin C, vitamin E, and AHA. So in other words, this particular bar soap is going to brighten your skin. And not only does it brighten the skin, it's also going to help slough off all the dead skin cells on your skin and make your skin look much radiant and brighter. So if you're looking to achieve a brighter, beautiful, glowing skin, then this is definitely one soap I'll recommend you get. Like, this is a very nice brightening soap, and pairing it together with this Dove body wash have been really amazing. This bar soap and body wash together will not dry out your skin. Like, using this body wash and bar soap together will brighten up your complexion and help you maintain a healthy looking skin. Like, these two products, when combined together in your skincare routine, will make your skin look much radiant and beautiful. So combining this Ashanti brightening bar soap with Dove moisturizing body wash together is going to give you that smooth, beautiful, healthy, soft looking skin. Like, your skin is definitely going to be popping. The Ashanti soap still has a nice fragrance. Like, it has that papaya scent in it. So these two products together will have your skin popping. Like, you just need to use them properly in your shower routine and you will have that simple, beautiful, glowing skin. Now, before I go ahead to show you how to use this body wash and bar soap together in the shower to achieve that brighter, glowing skin, I'm going to be showing you other bar soaps and body wash that you can combine together to achieve a brighter, beautiful looking skin. And one of my all-time favorite body combo is this Nivea body wash with extract carrot soap. You see these two products together, like using them in the same skincare routine is going to have your skin looking so much brighter and beautiful. Like, this is a body wash and bar soap that when you combine together is going to brighten and even out your complexion. So if you're looking to achieve a brighter, beautiful, glowing skin, just get these two products and pair them together in your skincare routine. Now, the next or second bar soap and body wash combo I recommend you use if you're looking to brighten and glow your skin is this Dove bar soap with Bio Nature body wash. You see these two products together is the bomb. Like, this will take your skin glow to another level and is going to help moisturize, nourish, brighten, and glow your complexion. So if you're looking to brighten and glow your skin tone, definitely add these two products in your skincare routine. There is no way your skin will not look much brighter and glowing when you're using these two products. The Dove bar soap is so moisturizing on the skin. So combining it together with this Bio Nature body wash that contains niacinamide and vitamin C would definitely help to brighten up your skin and lock in nice hydration into your skin. So this is something you definitely have to try if you're looking to achieve that brighter, beautiful, glowing complexion. Now, with all of that out of the way, let's take a look at how to properly use this body wash and bar soap together in a skincare routine. Most times when I place my clients on a 2-time body lotion, I mostly say use this particular one in the day and use this one at night. That can also work with your body wash. But guys, the best way to have your skin looking fire, like to have your skin looking brighter, beautiful, and glowing, is to double cleanse your skin at night. Like I said, at night. So in the daytime, you have to make do with your moisturizing soap or body wash to cleanse your skin in the day, because in the day you're just like waking up from your sleep, so there's no much dirt or impurities on your skin apart from the sweat that you accumulated while sleeping. So there is no much impurities to cleanse. But once you're back from work, I'll definitely recommend you double cleanse at night. So in other words, you need to be cleansing using your moisturizing soap in the day and then double cleansing at night. Guys, I cannot say this enough. If you know the amount of germs, impurities that get on your skin each day, immediately you step out from your house, you would definitely want to double cleanse your skin. If not for anything, for the fact that it's going to deeply cleanse your skin and balance your skin's pH. So for me personally, I love to use my Dove body wash in the day to wash my body. At night, when I'm having my night shower, the first thing I do once I get into the shower is to wet my skin with water. And once I'm done wetting my skin with water, I go in with my Ashanti papaya soap to lather my body because it lathers so well. So for the fact that this is a brightening body soap, you want to take your time to apply it all over your body, especially on those hard areas like your knees, your elbows, like all those stubborn areas. Take your time to wash that particular area. Like guys, one good thing about using bar soaps first to wash your skin is the fact that it will deeply cleanse your body, remove all the dirt and impurities on your skin, even all the oils that have been formed on your skin. Some soap are very good at removing that. It will absolutely give you that squiggling clean feel. And once I'm done, I rinse off my body and I go in with my moisturizing body wash, which is this Dove body wash. And guys, this will help to add in moisture back into your skin. Like your Ashanti soap have already taken time to brighten up your skin and deeply cleanse your skin. Now, what this Dove body wash is basically going to do for my skin is to add in back moisture into my skin and also give my body a thorough cleanse So if there were some dirt or impurities that were left when I was using the Asante soap, this particular Dove body wash is going to get hold of all of that, and then at the same time is going to also nourish and hydrate my skin. So in other words, when you pair your bar soap and body wash together, your skin is basically not going to feel dry. It will balance out the pH level of your skin and help you add back that moisture and hydration that your skin lost while you were cleansing using your Asante body soap. So this method is simply going to leave your skin looking much brighter, beautiful, healthy, and glowing. So if you're looking to achieve a brighter, healthy looking skin, just get a body wash and body soap and use in your skincare routine. This method is going to help brighten up your complexion without your skin looking dried out or having wrinkles and all those pigmentation on your skin. And this will also help to tackle your dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Now, let's take a look at your aftercare routine, because I know most of you will be asking, Judith, should I follow up with any additional skincare products to brighten my skin? Well, yes, you have to follow up with additional skincare products to brighten up your complexion. So in other words, you will need a body scrub to exfoliate your skin, and you also need to go in with either a body lotion or body oil to moisturize your skin immediately you come out from the shower. Like that will also help brighten and glow your skin. So in other words, you need to exfoliate, moisturize, and also protect your skin from the sun. So get a good sunscreen and add in your skincare routine if you're looking to achieve a brighter looking complexion. You also need to know that achieving a brighter, beautiful, glowing, healthy skin is a journey. So you definitely need to exercise patience and be consistent with your skincare products if you really want to see results. So for those of you that will come and ask, how long will it take me to see results when I'm using a brightening body soap and body wash together? Well, if you're using a body wash and bar soap together to brighten your skin, it can take a period of 2 weeks, 3 weeks, depending on your skin. As long as you're consistent with using it, within a month, you're definitely going to be seeing visible results. Your skin will be radiating that natural glow. So that is simply it on how to use body wash and bar soap to brighten your skin. If you got up to this point, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Liking this video will mean so much to me. So please go ahead and like this video. Also subscribe if you haven't, and drop a nice comment for me in the comment section, because I really love to read you guys' comments. Catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.